Today I'm going to tell you how to set up a merchant store. Log into Campaign Manager, go to Merchant Store. I already have a store, otherwise it will look like this. Then click on Create Store. There are two options where one you can create your store manually, otherwise you can import it from the existing Google Merchant Center. To create your store manually, click on Create Your Store Manually. Next, give a store name like test or whatever is your valid business. Here there's an additional process where you have to verify your domain through a UET tag or a Bing Webmaster Tool. So currently you can see I have a website which has been validated through Bing Webmaster Tool and it's popping up there. So I'll go ahead with that. I'll name it Style by Akansha here. So this particular store name will be visible to public when you're be, particular store name will be visible to the audience when they are searching for a product and your ad is served. Ad this store description is for you, it won't be available for the people who are seeing your ads. And click so here, since there's already one store created with the same domain, it's giving you an error. Otherwise you would see a store created like this. If you click on edit, once you click on submit, a store ID is generated once your store is approved. You can select the language, and in case you need more information about new features, best practices, you can subscribe to this checkbox. So this is how a store is created. Going further, the next process is creation of feed. You can create a feed here. So in order to create a feed here, you can import it from Google or you can upload it through a CSV file or a TXT file. Some important settings that you should always enable is automatic item update. So this enables the price and availability of any of your products in the feed to be updated automatically. Otherwise, once your product is out of stock, the ads won't the ads will keep appearing, spending your budget, and people will see an out of stock product, which is not a desirable experience. Apart from that, you should also enable free product listing in case, let's say, you have paused your campaigns due to some reasons. Your products will be still served as a free listing, and you might get some sales out of it without any paying anything. So a win-win situation. So this is how Merchant Center is set up. In case you have any questions, please share them in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you.